Mabuhay, Philippines!
We're here in Orlando, Florida, One Fat Frog. Today's a special day for Miss Glenda and Mr. Roy. Turning over the keys to this beautiful trailer.
Thank you so much, Mario, for this. It has been, good. We're working with you guys. And here, guys, the Lumpia Lady will be finally in Jacksonville. And hey, we're going to have great Filipino food. So I did not know really that I had cooking skills until I get to my neighborhood. I took a picture of the pancit and lumpia. I posted it in our Facebook page. 2 or 3 weeks after, somebody was looking for me, and now, even though I wasn't selling food, it gives idea to the neighbors that I was selling food. And then now, here I am. Here's the Lumpia Lady. I developed my skills.
Alright guys, look for them in Jacksonville. They're gonna be up there kicking butt and taking names. Lumpias, pancit, what else?
Lechon.
Lechon.
Lechon. This is my specialty, guys. Lechon, it is cooked with a lemongrass, and that's the lemongrass that will give that full flavor. I also have a lot of seafood coming up.
Get you some food. Alright, Miss Glenda, tell the world, tell them about your experience with One Fat Frog. Tell them about anything, advice.
So guys, if you want a good food truck, talk to Mario here in One Fat Frog. He's really easy to talk to. Their product is good. They will walk you through also with the process. Any challenges, any hurdles in the process, anything, they will communicate with you. And I just love working with them. I love the food truck. I love the food truck, guys. Mario is the man.
Glenda, give me something in Filipino to our Filipino community.
Hi Filipino communities, guys. It's time for us to show and to share our Filipino food. More than just pancit and lumpia. We have more. It's not limited. So that's what we are here for. And you will see that in my food truck.
Anything in a different language?
Salamat! Maraming salamat! Kain tayo ng masarap! Hope to see you soon! Get ready with your money, I'm ready!
Watch out, y'all. The Lumpia Lady's coming to Jacksonville. See you guys real soon.
Thank you again, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.